Everyone says passive income is dead, but that's just not true. In 2025, there are still ways to make money while you sleep, if you focus on what actually works. Here are the top 3 passive income streams that still pay in 2025. Number 1. Digital products. Ebooks, templates, Notion dashboards, these are low effort, high profit once you make them. You create it once, and it sells forever. Use AI tools like ChatGPT and Canva to design and write everything for free. Upload it to Etsy or Gumroad, and you're in business. Number 2. YouTube automation channels. You don't need to show your face, talk, or film anything. AI tools can write your scripts, generate the voice, and edit the video. All you need is consistency. Even one viral video can bring in hundreds a month in ad revenue, completely passive. Number 3. Affiliate marketing with AI content. This is where you use blogs, short videos, or newsletters to promote tools and products you already use. AI can create the posts, titles, and even SEO content for you. You don't need to sell, just recommend, and let the links earn for you. If you focus on just one of these and stay consistent for 90 days, you'll see results. And if you combine them, you can turn a side hustle into real passive income. Comment, passive income, if you want me to show the step-by-step process of how to set one of these up. And make sure you subscribe, because I'll be discussing many more ways you can earn money using AI.